Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our kitty. This is our kitty. He won't take his pill. Look, I have half of a pill. Watch.
Work without limits. The first 100 days, CNN tracks the story wherever
Yeah.
it leads. Watch as the best delivery
They keep spitting it out.
100 days on CNN. Tomorrow night on AC360, Anderson Cooper live on the border. The War Next Door, an AC360 special report.
Will you behave?
Eventually, if you hold him long enough,
Hints the economy could be
There. Will you swallow it for me?
I think you got him this time.
Did you finally swallow it?
I think so.
Oh, no. Stop everything. Sammy, you're so mean.
Too bad you guys couldn't put it in his food or something.
Yeah.
That doesn't work either. He doesn't
Because
eat
he'll
the
eat
food.
around the pill.
I'm Roger T.
If you crunch the pill up, he doesn't eat the food.
I suffered from chronic back pain.
Yeah.
I tried every
Are you recording? Or did it end?
No, it's still.
Okay.
Call now to try
Okay,
the Teeter
will you
Hang-Up.
swallow your pill for me?
$14.95. And
Swallow your
the
dang
30
pill.
Days to a Better Back program
Nah.
free.
Unlike any stretch you can do
Swallow.
on your own, a few minutes a day on the TV.
Swallow it? Did you swallow it? I think you swallowed it.
There it is.
Function and flexibility
This is his little dang pill.
leaves me feeling
What?
relaxed and
Yeah.
rejuvenated. Even though I'm
There.
in my 70s,
You
I
better
feel
freaking.
great.
You better swallow it. If you swallow, I'll give you $5. Okay? He finally swallowed
Give
it.
it a try. And
Did you actually swallow
I
it?
am swallowing something.
Oh wait, no. It's right here. It's still, wait, where'd it go? Oh, right there. Mom, this is impossible. Look, it's still right there.
Sammy,
Come on,
you got
Herbert.
a problem, honey.
Come on.
You gotta eat your pill.
Eat your dang pill. I'll love you forever.
Spreading
Okay?
misery on both sides of the border. Here, Mexican cartels smuggled
Let me
nearly
make sure.
$40 billion worth of illegal
Yeah.
drugs into America.
Yeah.
We'll be
He
tracing them
finally
to
swallowed it.
closed back.
Yay!